Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial in which we are going to explore one of the popular variants of YOLO, which is YOLO-NAS, where NAS means Neural Architecture Search, which make it different from other variants of YOLO. What makes YOLO-NAS special? It uses Advanced Neural Architecture Search or NAS, which means the model structure is automatically optimized by AI to be efficient and accurate as possible. In this tutorial, we will also compare YOLO-NAS with YOLO-V8 to see which perform better in object detection. Let's start our tutorial. First, we start by installing important Python libraries for YOLO-NAS. We import these libraries like matplotlib, CV2. Also remember, super gradient is required to use YOLO-NAS using Ultralytics module. Hmm. So to use YOLO-NAS model, we have to import NAS class from our Ultralytics module and use this YOLO-NAS model to perform our object detection. We create a NAS variable for it. Let's check about it. As you can see, our model has clearly been installed in our environment, which these are the information about model, which has 6625 layered in these parameter and gradients. Let's perform object detection on a sample image. As you can see, it has performed object detection in our sample image. It has detected two horses and 2%. Let's take another example for object detection. Hmm. So it has worked well in this image. It has detected all four elements and a bird. Let's another example. Yes, it has performed well in this example already. YOLO-NAS is this model of YOLO-NAS is trained on a COCO dataset, so it will able to detect all classes of COCO dataset. Let's take another example. So it has detected four instances of horse. It has well detected the horse which is been overlapping another horse. Let's compare it with our YOLO-V8 model. So to compare it, I have created a function which will compare it with YOLO-V8. Let's run this function. Let's compare it with YOLO-V8. So as you can see in our earlier image of YOLO-NAS detection, it has performed similarly. Let's take another example. As you can see, YOLO-NAS has failed because it had detected four instances of giraffe, whereas there is only three instances. And YOLO V8 has also failed in it as it has detected five instances of giraffe. Let's compare it on another image. As you can see, YOLO-NAS has detected very small object easily. Like YOLO-V8 has only detected a horse, but YOLO-NAS has detected a horse, a sheep, a cow, and another cow. And beneath there is also a horse. Means it has detected two horses, one sheep, and two cows. So it means it is better at object detection than YOLO-V8. Let's take another example. Hmm. It has performed object detection quite well. Both models performed with accuracy. Like both has detected three zebras and two giraffe. With this, our tutorial on YOLO-NAS is over. To read about more, you can check our blog on YOLO-NAS on our Labler platform. In this blog, we will learn about YOLO-NAS in greater detail and see its object detection performance on various metrics.